Few institutions can rival the British monarchy in terms of its longevity and global impact. For over 1,000 years, kings and queens have ruled England and later the United Kingdom. From the Anglo-Saxon period to the modern day, the monarchy has been a constant presence shaping the political, social, and cultural landscape of the nation. This essay will journey through the ages, exploring how the British monarchy evolved from its medieval origins to its present-day form. We will encounter powerful monarchs, witness pivotal events, and analyze the changing role of the crown in an ever-evolving world. The story of the British monarchy is not merely a dry recitation of names and dates. It is a vibrant tapestry woven from ambition, intrigue, war, and peace. It reflects the struggles and triumphs of a nation and its people. By understanding the monarchy's past, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of British history and the enduring legacy of an institution that continues to captivate the world. The year 1066 marked a watershed moment in English history, the Norman Conquest. William the Conqueror's victory at the Battle of Hastings changed England forever. His coronation on Christmas Day, 1066, solidified Norman rule. The Normans introduced feudalism, reshaping English society. Their architecture transformed the landscape with imposing castles and cathedrals. The Norman Conquest was a pivotal juncture, marking the end of one era and the beginning of another. The Tudor dynasty, spanning the 15th and 16th centuries, transformed England. Henry VII secured the throne after the Wars of the Roses, restoring stability. His son, Henry VIII, brought religious and political upheaval. Henry VIII's break with the Catholic Church established the Church of England. His daughters Mary and Elizabeth left their marks on the monarchy. Elizabeth's reign, the Elizabethan era, was a golden age for England. The Tudors transformed England into a powerful nation. The 17th century proved to be a tumultuous period for the British monarchy, marked by civil war, regicide, and the eventual restoration of the monarchy. The Stuart dynasty, which succeeded the Tudors, faced growing tensions with Parliament, fueled by religious differences and disputes over royal authority. King Charles I, believing in the divine right of kings, clashed repeatedly with Parliament, ultimately leading to the outbreak of the English Civil War in 1642. The Civil War pitted the royalists supporting the king against the parliamentarians led by Oliver Cromwell. The parliamentarians emerged victorious, and Charles I was executed in 1649, marking a radical departure from tradition and plunging England into a period of Republican rule under Cromwell. The Commonwealth, as it was known, proved to be short-lived. After Cromwell's death, the monarchy was restored in 1660 with the coronation of Charles II, the exiled son of Charles I. The restoration marked a return to stability and the re-establishment of the Church of England. However, the relationship between the monarchy and Parliament had been forever altered. The events of the 17th century demonstrated the limits of royal power and the growing influence of Parliament, setting the stage for the development of a constitutional monarchy in the centuries to come. The Victorian era, spanning the reign of Queen Victoria from 1837 to 1901, witnessed a period of unprecedented industrial, economic, and imperial expansion for Great Britain. Queen Victoria's reign was the longest in British history, and her name became synonymous with an age characterized by both progress and social change. During her reign, Britain became the world's dominant superpower, with an empire that stretched across the globe. The Victorian era also saw significant social reforms, advancements in science and technology, and a flourishing of literature and the arts. Victoria's reign bridged the gap between the old world and the new, as Britain navigated the challenges and opportunities of industrialization and globalization. The 20th century brought further challenges and transformations for the British monarchy. The two world wars tested the resilience of the nation and its institutions. The monarchy, under King George V, King George VI, and later Queen Elizabeth II, played a vital role in maintaining morale and providing a symbol of stability during times of war and uncertainty. The latter half of the 20th century witnessed the decline of the British Empire and the emergence of a new world order. The monarchy, adapting to changing times, embraced a more modern and accessible image, reflecting the evolving relationship between the crown and the people.